Messieurs, mesdames, bonjour une fois de plus. Maintenant, on a la lecture simple numéro 11. Et le titre de cette présentation est la description. Alors, on va décrire quelqu'un. Okay, welcome ladies and gentlemen. We are now on the text, simple text, number 11. And the title is La Description. We're going to talk about description, and we're going to see what is in the text. I will advise, look at the text, read it, and then see how many words you can understand, see how many difficult words, use your dictionary to see if there are things that you understand that you don't understand. And after that, now, we go to the reading. I'm going to read it as usual, and remember our goals, we read, so that we know how to read, and then we go through the text for us to know the meaning of the text. So, come along with me. I'm going to read now. Don't read after me. I will first read, and then later I will give you opportunity to read after me. La description. Alette et son amie Vanessa parlent et décrivent un garçon dans leur école. Il s'appelle Daniel. Il est très mignon, il est beau et mince. Ses yeux sont marrons. Il a des cheveux frisés, de belles dents blanches et de belles mains. Il a aussi une jolie façon de marcher. Mais malheureusement, il est présomptueux, bête et si antipathique. Let's go through the meaning. Okay. Alette, that's the name of a person. Et son ami. Look at it. Et son ami. Of course, this is feminine. But because normally this one is supposed to have been sa. But you don't say sa ami because this is a, this is a. Therefore, instead of sa, you say son. Alette et and son ami Vanessa. This is another name. Annette et son ami Vanessa parlent. Remember? 1, 2. Elle parle, il parle et décrivent. This is from the verb décrire. This is from the verb, original form, parler. Annette et son ami Vanessa parlent et décrivent un garçon dans leur école. There's a young man in their school, and the two of them started to talk about the young man. Il s'appelle Daniel. Ça veut dire le monsieur s'appelle Daniel. Le monsieur qu'elle décrive s'appelle Daniel. The boy they are describing is called Daniel. The two of them are discussing a boy, and the name of the boy is Daniel. Il s'appelle Daniel. Voici, ici c'est monsieur Daniel. Alors, Daniel même a dit, je m'appelle Daniel. Voici monsieur Daniel. Bonjour monsieur Daniel. Okay, il est très mignon. Now, after they have started talking about the young man, now they started to describe the young man. So, the first thing is, from their description, il est très mignon. Well, you see this superlative, this très, very, and mignon is cute. And there you have être mignon. Être mignon. Être mignon simply means to be cute. Yeah? So I can say, I am cute, you are cute, he is cute, we are cute. So you just conjugate this être. I hope you remember. Je suis mignon, tu es mignon, il est mignon, anon. Elle est mignon, nous sommes mignons, vous êtes mignons, ils sont mignons, elles sont mignons. So we are saying the same thing. Once this is the expression être mignon. Yeah? So we have il est très mignon. He is very cute. And then il est beau. The same expression être beau. Être beau. Être beau. Être beau simply means to be handsome for a male. être beau. Il est beau et mince. Mince simply means to be slender. Slender. Ses yeux sont marrons. Now, they talk about his personality, about his size, and now they are talking about the eyes. So they say the eyes are brown. Yeah, brown eye. So, ses yeux, plural, ses yeux sont marrons. Remember, this is an adjective and it has S. Ses yeux sont marrons because this noun is plural. The adjective will also reflect the plural formation with the addition of S. Il a des cheveux frisés. You have the same example here. He has here. Here simply means the cheveux frisés. Yeah? Cheveux frisés is like coiled hair. But because cheveux is plural, frisé, which is an adjective, we also carry S. And then we continue, de belles dents. Remember, teeth, fine teeth. And you see this one, S is here, and then S is here. De belles dents et de belles dents blanches. The teeth is fine, and it is white. Et de belles mains. De belles mains. That is, the hands are also wonderful, and I wonder they have looked at this boy so much. So the hands, yeah, belle, very fine. Il a aussi une jolie façon de marcher. Il a aussi une jolie façon de marcher. He has a very beautiful way of walking. These ladies must have looked at him so much. Il a aussi is also. Il a aussi une jolie façon. Façon is feminine. Yeah, fashion, way. That's why you have jolie, feminine with E, jolie façon de marcher. And then after that, there's something shocking. Mais malheureusement, you're going to pronounce that after me. Mais malheureusement. This one is but unfortunately, mais malheureusement, il est présomptueux. Yeah, it's presumptuous. Il est présomptueux. It's presumptuous. Not only that, il est bête. He's stupid. Oh, il est bête. He's stupid et si antipathique. Look at all these negative things after all this beautiful description. Alors, it says, il est présomptueux, bête et si antipathique. In essence, he's saying, he is presumptuous, he is stupid, and not only that, he is nasty. So, all those things came together contrary to the beautiful description at the beginning. Okay, that's just it. Unfortunately, you can see the young Daniel here, physically beautiful, but he's presumptuous, he's stupid, and not only that, he's a nasty young man. Okay, so you read after me now before we end this section. Annette et son amie Vanessa parlent et décrivent un garçon dans leur école. Read after me. Annette et son amie Vanessa parlent et décrivent un garçon dans leur école. Il s'appelle Daniel. Il est très mignon. Il est beau et mince. Ses yeux sont marrons. Ses yeux sont marrons. Il a des cheveux frisés. De belles dents blanches. Et de belles mains. Et de belles mains. Say it again. Et de belles mains. Il a aussi une jolie façon de marcher. Il a aussi une jolie façon de marcher. Mais malheureusement, il est présomptueux, bête et si antipathique. Ok, alors, voici la description d'un jeune homme qui s'appelle Daniel. Il a des qualités positives, mais malheureusement, on a dit ici, il est présomptueux, il est bête et il est si antipathique. Daniel. Ok. Alors, voici la fin de cet épisode et on se verra bientôt. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.